The Seychelles Nation on BC's Sunshine Coast says it has identified 40 unmarked graves on and around the grounds of the former St. Augustine's residential school. The nation says ground-penetrating radar was used to locate the shallow graves, which are child-sized in Seychelles. The archaeological research project was done in partnership with the University of Saskatchewan. It says the number of graves does not give an accurate indication of how many children died at the school in total.
We can't focus on the problems. We have to focus on the solutions, and this is a solution.
It's called the Compassionate Intervention Act, an addiction treatment program discussed by the province of Alberta, enabling people struggling with addiction to be put into treatment without their consent. It's drawing mixed reaction from groups wondering if the program would hurt or help. Indigenous-led Bear Clan Patrol releasing a scathing statement against the proposal, calling it racist, saying, quote, Indigenous people would once again be disproportionately targeted. And first it was reserve, then residential school. Currently it's jail. Now they want rehab. Director of Oxford House, Earl Thiessen, saying that it's an option that chooses life.
In the rooms and in recovery, we say this ends in 3 ways, and that's jails, institutions, and death. And I'm pretty sure 10 out of 10 people would rather choose the jails and institutions than death.
Thiessen was in active addiction for 2 decades and experienced 7 years of homelessness. He says the potential legislation could set a precedent for intervention.
When it comes down to life or death decisions, I chose life. And if I wasn't capable of doing that, I would be more than happy to have someone, and I wasn't in a few instances, but I would be more than happy to have my mom or my dad or my brother to be able to make that decision for me.
He admits his support of the involuntary program might be controversial, but says if implemented, he'd like the program to be long-term and involve conversations with people who have lived experience. The Minister of Mental Health and Addictions office saying no decisions have been made, and they're continuing to look at options in helping those struggling with addiction. In Calgary, Jillian Code, City News.